This is a video just to show how you can save some money on brackets that you don't have to buy for newer riser pipes that you need to buy to upgrade from this machined tower head to this silicone manifold. This is the early design from John Deere for 1890s. This is the riser pipe that is machined on. You can't really take it off and you have to buy newer riser pipes. Unfortunately, the newer riser pipes are actually shorter, which creates a problem for the bracket. And why doesn't the existing bracket fit? Because the newer silicone manifold is pressed down on the newer riser pipe a few inches. So that existing bracket is useless. You have to buy new parts from John Deere, which they love. It's $167 for the bracket and hardware, and times that by 4 or 6, you're looking at $500 to almost $1,000. But here's the simple fix. It's obvious. The existing bracket is too tall, so you just modify it. You got to make it shorter. Luckily, there's enough room on the existing bracket to drill 2 new holes. It doesn't have to be perfect since they're U-bolts that fasten on the riser pipe. They just have to be close. Now, this is important. When you cut it off to make it shorter, make sure you cut off at the most a ½ inch to an inch above what used to be the lower holes. If you don't, it still won't fit. So then after that, you just grind down the sharp edges so you don't cut yourself and cry like a baby. And that's it. Now you have enough room. As you can see, it fits right there, and you still have a few inches of play there, and there's the few inches on the bottom, so you can get your primary hose on there and move it a bit. And that's it.